Welcome back. I'm Kolie, and I'm here to do an unboxing and a review for the Legendary Ladies Goddess deck by Ann Shen. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. I pretty much opened this deck already. I just kind of wanted to see what was in it, being sneaky. And so it has 58 goddess cards and a guidebook. And so this is the guidebook. Kind of flip through there. And let's go ahead and dig into the deck. And so I took the little plastic thing off of it. And here's the deck. And so far, let me kind of bring it down just a tad. There we go. So you guys can see it. This is balance for the first card. Rebirth. Kind of look like death on one side and the normal person on the other. This is a self-care deck, and I believe it has nothing but ladies in this deck. Strength. I will leave the link in the description box below. Courage. Independence. Enter beauty. That's gorgeous. Joy. Protection. That's really pretty. I like the different colors in this deck. Universal connection. Healing. That reminds me of the strength card in the tarot with the lion there. Desire. That's gorgeous too. Renewal. Release. I like that. It's like a mermaid feel. She's a mermaid. Looks like shells on her neck. Like a necklace or something. Gratitude. Luck. She's blindfolded, so that's going to be interesting what the book says about her. Morality. Isn't she gorgeous? And that's a gorgeous art of work there. Connection to nature. Rhythm. Ascension. She has the little light like the hermit card in the tarot. And there's the Justice in the tarot. Individuality. Boldness. Reminds me of the Chariot. Abundance. Could be the Empress in the tarot. Enter strength. Compassion. Passion. Expression. Forgiveness. Domesticity. Domesticity. Boundaries. Harvest. That's gorgeous. Blooming. Shadow. That's really gorgeous. Looks like she has earrings of the death, the skeleton heads. Fertility. That could be an empress too. Spirit, like the Four of Swords, meditating. Magic. She has 3 heads on this one. That's going to be interesting in the book. Creative luck. Pleasure. It reminds me of the Queen of Swords. Light. Wisdom. Or maybe this could be the Queen of Swords with the huge pinnacle there. Creation. Resurrection. Inspiration. Inner peace. Creation again. There's another creation. Self-care. Divine feminine. Love. Cleansing. Enlightenment. Like the Judgment, maybe. Enchantment. Fresh start. Be like the Fool of the card, possibly. Reinvention. She has a snake on her head and it's a rainbow in the back. So that's pretty. Transcendence. Determination. It's gorgeous. It looks like she's in a volcano. Transformation. I think I've seen another transformation card. I'm not mistaken. I have to rewind it back to see, but let's continue. So focus. And persistence. That's beautiful. That's really gorgeous there. I love that. All the butterflies, and she's a butterfly as well. Not sure what that is in her hand. And there's the back of the card again. And so let's see what the book has. And I'll shuffle for you guys. I have to shuffle from the side because they kind of wide in length, but they feel soft, a matte finish, and they're kind of thin. But it's pretty good. It's not too bad. But I have to shuffle from the side because of the size of the cards, unless you're going to be straining to shuffle them. And so here's the book. Let's see what the book has in it. Introduction. Rituals. It has rituals. Working with your goddesses. Let's see. 1 card pull, 3 card spread. Spreads for general readings. Problem, cause, solution, current situation, obstacles, advice. Content, where to focus, outcome, what you think, what you feel, and what you do. There's some other ones for spreads about love and relationships, spreads for advice on decisions, spreads to get to know yourself better, define feminine spread, the diamond spread, the year spread. Wow, has a year spread, 12-month pool. Let's see the goddesses and their meanings. So these are the meanings of all the cards. They have color in them, as you can see. So I'm going to pause one for you to see that. You want to read that there. And there's another. I'll read that there. Let's see, is there anything else? Nope. So it pretty much has a lot to have a lot of spreads that you can do in this 58 card deck. And so let's pull one. I'll say that. Let's pull one and see for the collective. One more shuffle. And see what I come up with for us. Let's see. Focus is for us as a collective. Okay. Let's find the collective focus interpretation for Ann. Let's see. There we go. You will easily attract what you want, so be careful what you wish for. Goddess of the Sea, Ran, gives you the ability to focus easily, and that will help you become more magnetic. That was nice. Okay. There we go, you guys. I hope you like the deck. Please comment below if you do, or anything that you did like about it. And thank you so much for watching. See you later.